And it is a glueless unit, so there's no glue on this unit whatsoever. I'm just mimicking my hairline. The BYEBYE knots, they always get what they need to give. This unit is a light, relaxed texture. It's gonna give more of a natural blowout look or kind of a silk press look. So I want something like this that kind of mimics my hair if it was really straight and long. But you know, my hair is still giving what it needs to give. But this one's definitely gonna give more of a natural effect. So you guys can see, look how pretty this hair is. The hair is absolutely lovely, guys. Hopefully it's showing on camera correctly. Absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, the lace itself is pretty. Now I do notice that it does kind of have like a little bit of a widow's peak attachment right here. So if you're someone that has a widow's peak and struggles wearing wigs, this unit will work for you really well, guys. They give you like a little bit of extra lace right here. So I'll probably just trim that part off right there, and that's it. So let me go ahead and pop this unit off, and you know the deal, pop this one. So I went ahead and adjusted the strap in the back, guys. So this is what the unit looks like. Usually I'll put the combs in, so I'll go ahead and put the combs in for the purpose of this video today. And I put the combs in just so that I can sit real nice and in place for me, especially with the middle parts. You guys know I never get the middle part correctly. I always mess that up. So you guys can see the hair is very, very pretty. Look at how lovely that is. Obviously it needs like a little bit of taming, but it's still a quick install, guys. It's not going to be anything crazy or too much. So you get a nice amount of parting space in here, which I do love, the amount of parting space that they give. Gorgeous. All right, guys, so I'm just going ahead and hot combing the base of this so that it lays very flat. The parting space is tremendous on this one, so you get like a really nice middle part style, which I think is nice. As you guys can see, the hair is like butter, guys. Like, look at how pretty this light Yaki, they did something with this one. Very, very nice. And as far as the widow's peak ear in the front, well, I call it a widow's peak. It's probably not even really a widow's peak. I'm just probably saying that just because it seems like it to me. I don't even think I'm going to cut anything of that off. I might just trim a little bit of this little extra dot right here off. But other than that, it looks really, really nice, guys. So I'm going to spray the top with a little bit of the even melting spray just to kind of make sure it lays flat. We're not going to install this unit with any glue or anything like that, guys. So that's as far as using any type of styling products or sprays, just to kind of flatten the front out so then you get like a clean little middle part. I never really show these edges right here, but if you want to go ahead and glue this down, you want to make that look like realistic, you can. But there's no point with this wig. I'm going to tap some powder into the front part right here so you guys can kind of like melt it down with your own powder. I was going to go ahead and do like a little spray in the front to make the middle part look more crisp, but this is like a natural look, so I don't think I need to do that, like that artificial bust down middle part look. This is more of like a light Yaki, like this is my natural hair type of look, so it doesn't have to be too like clean looking. I feel like it looks more realistic like this. So all you're doing is just add a little powder. Y'all can see the hairline already, very nice. And like I said, again, it is a glueless unit, so there's no glue on this unit whatsoever. I'm just mimicking my hairline. The BYEBYE knots, they always give what they need to give. I feel like the BYEBYE knots is definitely a game changer at this point. Like, it's definitely the best wig on the market. Very, very good. But you guys can still see that the hair has a lot of its texture still. You can see that nice light Yaki texture, relaxed texture in it. So I'm telling you already, I absolutely love this unit. It's just so pretty, and it's like very, very light. So it's like a Yaki texture that's light. So the hair is not like thick or anything like that. It has that nice buttery effect to it, nice buttery feel. Like, come on, guys. And very, very easy. Like, look at this. That looks like I just got my hair blown out. Well, straightened out, like a silk press, giving silk press vibes. So y'all see this? Honey. Honey, 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 honey. All right, y'all, so I got the hair nice and sleeky straight. Obviously, you guys can still see that the hair has a lot of texture, a lot of luster. Like, this light, relaxed Yaki texture is never gonna, you know, fade from straightening it. I will go ahead and leave that little link down below for you on my Amazon storefront for the attachment for the straightener. Does an excellent job, guys. You guys can see that the hair is super straight, very nice, and it also still has its texture, its natural texture to it. Absolutely love this one, guys. You guys obviously know this is a glueless unit. We don't lie over here. We tell the truth. There is no glue used on this unit whatsoever. It is 100% glueless and very, very flawless, guys. You guys can see. I absolutely love how simple this one was. And one thing about this one, if you're someone that's looking for a texture that mimics your own natural hairstyle, this definitely works. It kind of gives you like a silk press vibe, kind of like a natural blowout vibe or fresh, relaxed vibe. So I really, really like it. The 24 inches is true to length, guys. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I just think that this is a nice unit, guys. Very simple, straight to the point. If you want to go ahead and do like a side part, I feel like you'll get a nice side part with this one just because the actual lace part on this one is actually pretty big. You guys know UNice Hair offers the pre-cut lace units with enough lace on it so you guys can do multiple styles. But for me, I'm gonna keep it cute and classy and do a middle part. If you want to go ahead and clean the middle part up and do kind of like that really clean middle part, you can do that. But I figured because it was more of a natural S type of style, more of a relaxed style, that you didn't need to do all that kind of bust down middle part look. This still looks very nice and natural, guys. And like I said, the hair is so nice and soft. The density on this one is such a natural density, guys, so it's not heavy. You guys know you guys get like a kinky straight type of unit and it's kind of dense a little bit. This one is very nice and light, and like I said, your girl ain't lose no texture whatsoever. The hair is giving lots of luster, lots of fabulousness, and it's just giving all of the vibes.